Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable to Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Airtable to Slack, start by opening your Airtable account in your web browser. In the Airtable interface, go to the base you wish to connect to Slack. Click on the Automations tab located at the top of your base. Select the Create an Automation button to begin setting up a new automation. Choose a trigger that suits your needs, such as when a record is created or when a record is updated. Next, click on that Add Action button to define what happens when the trigger activates. From the list of action options, select Send a Slack message. You will be prompted to connect your Slack account. Click on the Connect to Slack button and follow the prompts to authorize Airtable to access your Slack workspace. Once connected, specify the Slack channel or user that should receive the message. Customize the content of the Slack message using variables from your Airtable record. Preview the message to ensure. After confirming the message looks good, click on Done to save your action. Turn on the automation by toggling the switch at the top right corner of the automation screen. Test your automation by creating or updating a record in the specified table. Check the designated Slack channel to see if the message has been successfully sent. If any adjustments are needed, return to the automation setup and make your edits. Once satisfied, your Airtable and Slack integration is complete, allowing for seamless communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.